Hello students, in this lecture we are going to discuss question number 6 from exercise 5.5 of class 12th mathematics. So the question is like this. X plus 1 by x raised to power x plus x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. This is the problem and we have to find the derivative of this given function. Now look at this function. We have two functions and this is plus sign. It means these two are separate functions and we have to find the derivative of this. Of these functions, this again x is in exponent. Here 1 plus 1 by x is in exponent. Means function raised to power function. Here also function raised to power function. It means we have to use logarithm. But as we know that in logarithm, log x plus y is not defined. But we can write log x into y as log x plus log y. So if the condition is like this, so what should we do? We will assume these two functions as u and v and find the derivative of these two functions separately. How? Now look. Suppose this is y. Let y equals to x plus 1 by x raised to power x, and this is x 1 plus 1 by x. Now we will assume this first function as u and second as v. So this y can be written as u plus v. It means u is x plus 1 by x raised to power x and v is x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. Now what we want? We want dy by dx. It means dy by dx. So dy dx of u plus v, and this can be written as du by dx and dv by dx. So we will find the derivative of these two functions separately and then put the values in this first. So u is what? X plus 1 by x raised to power x. So we will find the derivative of this u with the help of logarithm. So we can write taking log on both sides. Then this is log u and this is log x plus 1 by x raised to power x. Now by the property of log, that is log x raised to power n, this can be written as x log x plus 1 by x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then this is what? Log u. So d by dx of log u, and on right hand side we have d by dx of x log x plus 1 by x. Now in the right hand side we have two functions in the product. Suppose this is u and this is v. So by product rule we can find the derivative of the right hand side. On left hand side we have log u. So as we know that the derivative of log x is 1 by x. So with the help of that formula we can write the logarithm of log u as 1 by u. But this is not x. So we will write the derivative of u in the product. Now this first function as it is, derivative of second function dy dx of log x plus 1 by x. Now second function as it is, log x plus 1 by x, and derivative of first function. This is by product rule. So this can be written as x. Now log x. So derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. So this can be written as 1 by this, but this is not x. So we will write the derivative of this in the product. Now this is log x plus 1 by x, and derivative of x is 1. Now the next step is 1 by u du by dx equals to, this is x, in denominator we have x square plus 1 by x. Now the derivative of this, so the derivative of x is what? 1, and the derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square, plus this is log x plus 1 by x. Now the next step is 1 by u du by dx equals to, this is x square by x square plus 1, and this becomes x square minus 1 by x square. This is log x plus 1 by x. When we further simplify this, then x square will cancel out, and we will get x square minus 1, and this is x square plus 1, and plus log x plus 1 by x. Now when we write the value of this du by dx, then this u will be in product. This is x square minus 1, x square plus 1. This is log x plus 1 by x. Now what is the value of u? U is x plus 1 by x raised to power x. So we can write this as x plus 1 by x raised to power x, and in bracket this is x square minus 1, x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x. So this is the value of du by dx. Now we will find the value of dv by dx. Suppose this is second. Now v is x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. So this is x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. Now in this also we will find the derivative with the help of logarithm. So taking log on both sides, then this is log v, this one is log x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. Further this right hand side can be written as 1 plus 1 by x, and this is log x, because this is in the form of log x raised to power n. So this can be written as n log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of log v, and on right hand side d by dx of 1 plus 1 by x log x. Now on the right hand side these two are in product, so this is u and this is v. So these functions are in product, so again we can use the product rule on the right hand side. So when we differentiate, then on the left hand side the derivative of log v is 1 by v, but actually this should be x. So we will write the derivative of this in the product. Now on the right hand side we will use product rule. So first function as it is, then dy dx of second function, that is log x, plus second function as it is, and dy dx of 1 plus 1 by x. Now this dv by dx and 1 by v equals to this 1 plus 1 by x as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now this log x is as it is, and derivative of 1 is 0, and the derivative of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. So this can be written as 1 by v dv by dx equals to, when we simplify this is x plus 1 by x, this is 1 by x, now minus log x by x square. Now this is x and x is what? X square. So x square is the LCM. When we simplify this, we will get x plus 1 minus log x. So the value of dv by dx is v. In the product we will write x plus 1 minus log x by x square. Now when we put the value of v is what? X raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. So this can be written as x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x, in bracket this is x plus 1 minus log x by x square. Suppose this is third. Now by using second and third in first, by using second and third in first. Now on the left hand side we have dy by dx. On the right hand side we have to put the value of du by dx and dv by dx. The value of du by dx is this one from second. So this is x plus 1 by x raised to power x, in bracket x square minus 1 x square plus 1 plus log x plus 1 by x. Now the value of dv by dx, this is the value of dv by dx. So by using third we can write x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x, in bracket x plus 1 minus log x by x square. So this is the value of dy by dx.